Every single home has a massive problem that's with it. Let's be honest, your thermostat is in your hallway, but you don't sleep in your hallway unless you're Harry Potter, and that's the problem. Because when your thermostat is reading the temperature from the hallway, that stays cooler or more comfortable than the rest of your house, and especially the upstairs. You end up overheating and overcooling your entire home just to get your bedroom right. That's ridiculous. You have to choose where to be comfortable or uncomfortable in your own home. Plus, you're wasting money every month running your entire HVAC system harder than necessary. And if you're like me and you have a baby, that baby's probably upstairs. And if it's too hot or too cold, that could be a health risk. And for most people, the risk is actually really personal. When your room is too hot, your metabolism starts to ramp up. Your body wakes itself up. You're tossing and turning all through the night into the early morning, and you're expending energy when you should be recovering. And that's a problem. And you're not alone. And the good news? We found a simple solution that brings perfect room-by-room comfort, whisper quiet technology, and it's crazy how energy efficient these things are. During our Cyber December event, this solution is 50% off. We are talking outdoor heat pump mini split, indoor head, line set, 12 feet of linehide to cover it on the outside of your house. We have mounting pads. We have all of the different bits and bobs and pieces that are needed to make the install complete, plus absolute EPA standard installation with manufacturer warranties and all of that for under, you guessed it, $4,200. And one of our customers even got theirs installed for $39.88. They just had to add a single 115 volt 30 amp circuit. That's it. But how is this deal even possible? Well, I'm glad you asked, Chris. We have partnered with the dealers and manufacturers up and down the state using our 50 years in business to negotiate some pricing and pass it straight to you. Because we don't just protect people, we want to protect your comfort, your sleep, and your energy bill. Oh, that's amazing, Chris. I will do it in 3 years from now. Sorry, Chris, but you're going to have to act sooner. This deal is not going to last. It ends when either supplies run out or on December 31st, whichever comes first. So call now, shoot us a DM, fill out our form, head to our website. Let's make this a December to remember. Seriously, for years to come. You'll remember it when you're getting great sleep and you have the right temperature for the right family members in the right area. Let's see what your bedroom really should feel like. Triple T, family values, local legacy.